Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to make changes in the car color, by using hue and saturation. Now then, let's jump right into the Photoshop. Open the image you want to use. Make a duplicate of it, by pressing Ctrl+J. Now then click on Adjustment Layer icon, and select Hue and Saturation. Click on the hand sign here, and select the color you want to change. I am going to select red from the car. Make lightness to -100. Now as you can see, that the red color from the car, is converted to black. Select the mask layer of the hue and saturation, and fill it with black color, by pressing Alt plus Backspace. Make sure your foreground color is black, before filling it. Now, select Pen tool by pressing P, and make selection of the area you want to make color changes. For me, I am going to select the top area of the car, to just show you how it works. On the black color, you don't need to make the selection accurate. Now press Ctrl+Enter, to make selection. And make your foreground color to white. Press Alt plus Backspace to fill it with white color. Press Ctrl+D, to deselect the selection. Now, as you can see, without making any big effort, we can change the car color, by using hue and saturation. You can select more areas of the car, to change the color. I hope you liked the video, share and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.